How to fix Roblox out of date on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Roblox out of date on Android phone. First open settings and then apps and now apps again, and here type here Roblox, click on it. First click for stop and then go to storage, click clear cache, and now try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem then open Play Store and type here Roblox and then click on it. Then just click here update, you will find here update and click on it, and that's it. Your problem must be fixed, and that's it for today's video. It's easy. After you updated, just restart your phone and try again, and your problem must be fixed, and see you in the next video.